Good morning and happy Wednesday. Today we have updates on Paging the Future, FCA, and the Hotspot. It's the middle of the week, Hoover, so sit back and relax because HVTV News starts now.
Good morning, I'm Leah Fay.
And I'm Nolan Pellegrino. Today is Wednesday, December 10th. Let's get started with today's show. It's time to have a discussion, Bipartisan Club. This Friday, Bipartisan Club will have their next meeting after school. It will be held from 2:30 to 3:15 in room B4. Your question up for debate this week is, should the government be able to regulate the production and use of AI? All students are welcome to attend and be a part of this timely topic. Additionally, Bipartisan Club t-shirt orders will be taken. You will need to bring $6 to the meeting if you'd like to purchase a shirt. Also note that the cost is increased to $8 for sizes extra large and up. See Mr. Campanero if you have any questions, and stop by Friday's meeting, Bipartisan Club. GSA, you're also meeting this Friday. GSA will be hosting their December meeting after school on Friday in room E5. You'll be working on crafts, enjoying snacks, and hanging out. As always, all are welcome to join. Make it out to Friday's meeting, GSA.
Do you have an interest in the medical field? Then stop by today's Paging the Future meeting. Paging the Future will meet in Mrs. Rohrig's room today after school. The meeting will last until 3 o'clock. A speech pathologist will be here to talk about her career. There will be snacks to enjoy as well. Anyone is welcome to attend, so stop by today's meeting if you're interested in learning more. Get your Christmas spirit ready, FCA Club. FCA will be meeting in room M4 at 6:40 in the morning tomorrow for a special Christmas meeting. There will be lots of festive activities such as cookie decorating, listening to the Christmas story, and enjoying the holiday season together. If you have any questions, you can reach out to Miss Diot or Mrs. Hicks. In case you missed it yesterday, the PBIS team recognized another round of awesome Vikings. The following students were recognized for their positive display of character. If you haven't done so already, please stop by Mrs. Duff's office to pick up your prize. Congratulations, everyone, and keep up the positive behavior, Hoover. If you're looking for a way to get into the holiday spirit, check out the Ohio Christmas Factory. The factory is located in Canton and offers fun for all age groups. HVTV Media's Alex Kins tells us more.
The Ohio Christmas Factory is the perfect activity if you're looking for something to do during the holiday season. The factory is a family-friendly Christmas event close by. It features a 15-minute light show on the 5-story entrance, lots of Christmas characters, seasonal photo ops, selfie stations, a giant gingerbread house, a Santa slide, and more. The production team has 24 years of experience creating spooky Halloween events, including the Factory of Terror. But don't worry, the Christmas Factory has no scares, except for Spooky Town. The Christmas Factory is set up in the back of the Factory of Terror building at 4125 Mahoning Road in Canton, Ohio. With over 50,000 square feet of heated indoor space, the Ohio Christmas Factory is sure to become a holiday tradition. The factory's creative director is Chris Virgilio.
My favorite part of working here is the unlimited creativity. Every day, whether it's how we design or how we're putting guests through the property, we're constantly coming up with creative solutions.
Each ticket gets you admission to 20 attractions, including the Merry Mirror Maze, the Tinsel Tunnel, the Frozen Forest, and many more. You can also purchase additional packages to meet Santa, get food, and take a virtual sleigh ride. The factory will be open every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday until Christmas. For more information about tickets and hours, visit the website at ohiochristmasfactory.com. Make sure to visit the factory this Christmas season. Who knows, maybe it will become a family tradition. For HVTV News, I'm Alex Kins.
Another way to get into the holiday spirit is by trying the Hotspot's new holiday flavor. From now until winter break, you can get hot peppermint mocha. The Hotspot is located by door 1 and will be open every morning before first period. Please note that the Hotspot will be closed during exam days, though. Stop by, support your fellow students, and enjoy a cup of coffee during these chilly mornings.
That's all for today's broadcast. Have a great day, Hoover.